What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? Hey guys, what's going on, man? I just really want to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk about getting in the right position, man, as far as making money online. And if you're gonna join any program out here as far as making money online, you definitely just want to make sure that you have the right education put in place. And not only education, you also want to have marketing systems and the right tools that are in place. And that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, because I get so many people, they'll join a business and they get stuck. They really don't know what to do next, and they'll see a lot of people flashing money saying, hey, you can make money by doing this and, by posting ads on social media. And the thing is that, guys, they're not explaining is that they're doing paid ads and the free ads, because the free ads really don't work if you have a business that that you're trying to take from others. See, the thing is that marketing tools, things like that, always works for marketers. When everyone was out digging for gold, the people that was making all the money was the people that was supplying the tools to the people that was digging. So if there's a billion people in network marketing and everyone has the best opportunity since sliced bread, then who should join who? You see what I'm saying? But I don't get into that, because that's not what I do. My goal is to make sure that all you guys have the right tools. So marketing systems, leads, things that help you generate more leads, things that help your team duplicate. So when you bring people into the business, you can give them the same exact thing that you have, the same exact setup, the same exact training. That's how people win together. And that's what makes you become a leader. See, I'm talking about helping you become a leader. When someone signs you up in a business, they might have had their own marketing system. They might have had everything set up, done up, all pretty, that made you join. But then they told you this is what you need to do for you to set up yours. And you don't even have the same you don't have the same proof. You don't have any of that. But why not have something that works for you, that does the selling and telling for you 24/7, 365 plus a MOT? Why not have something like that? And that's something that you can have with the conversion pros. See, the thing is that the conversion pros, that when you bring people in, the owner does everything else. He does the rest. He pretty much closes the sales for you, where he does trainings through the Facebook group. He does closing. He just started doing live calls now during the week to close some of your trial members. He has all of the training laid out for marketing. He has all the training laid out for you to actually utilize the marketing platform and the tools. So we pretty much got you covered from A to Z. Okay? And also, the things, I'm going to be honest, the things that we really don't cover is a lot of the Facebook ads and the social media ads. Now, we have where you can actually purchase leads, interview leads. These leads are hot. People that just express interest as far as making money online. They've been interviewed, called up, and they are ready. So the only thing you need to do is reach out. And we have leads that people just express interest, like, hey, I've signed up for information regarding making money online. Okay? So we give you, not clicks, leads, so where you can call these people and they go right in your back office. So if you have like let's just say I'm a member of MCA. So since I'm marketing MCA and someone actually signs up, they wants to actually sign up for MCA, then I can actually give them the same marketing system that I have for MCA. I can actually give them the same follow-up messages. So if someone opts in, if they actually request information and they don't join, my marketing system is pretty much going to build the whole, my marketing system is going to build a relationship with them. It's going to follow up. It's pretty much going to do everything as far as building that relationship, particularly with that new lead or that customer that you look at having to join your business. See, it's about helping you guys and helping and making this easier for you and your team to duplicate. So that's why I say this is something for you and your team. Okay? Regardless of whatever program you're in, we already have pre-done templates as far as capture pages goes. It's to all different niches of business, from weight loss to makeup to hemp to lifestyle. To you name it. We pretty much have videos for it. Okay. And that's why I really try my best to keep pushing people on the conversion pros, because it's going to help you. It's truly going to help you get to the next level as far as making money online. So I mean, I can only express this so much. I've shown videos. Whoa, something's in the street. I've actually shown videos. Metal thing too. I've actually shown videos of TCP, you know, in the back office, showing how you can utilize it. But what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to leave a link right at the bottom because there's a free trial, okay? No credit card required. Put your credit card up. Put everything up. So no credit cards required. It's free, okay? So I'm giving you an opportunity to check this company out. It's a free trial. So for 7 days, you can check this out, okay? And if you like it, from there it's $50 a month. They're going to pay you a $25 residual income for each person that you bring in, and they decide that they like the system. Okay? So, think about that. That's residual income. It adds up. And if they decide they want to sign up semi-annually, they can sign up semi-annually. If they want to sign up annually, they can sign up annually. But whatever they do, you're going to get paid half of that, okay? So, guys, get involved. Don't sit back and keep watching us. Don't do that. That's you know, you're not playing ball with us, man. So get involved and get you some residual income as well. But better yet, help your team duplicate. If you're involved in any business, especially if you're in MCA, you're involved in MCA, we have a specific training directly for you. FES, we have a training directly for you. Okay? So we don't want you struggling. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and when you sign up with me, reach out to me, say, Jay, I'm in. I'm gonna get you the free ads training for social media ads. Okay, so what they don't cover in TCP, I'm going to help with you as well. So get in, man. Click the link at the bottom. Share this video. Like this video. Get involved. Okay, so this is your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Thursday, man. It's Friday Eve. Tomorrow's payday. Out. Peace.